My name is Stephen Sawyer and I'm the factory manager for HSGS Fabrications as part of the Facade and Cladding Solutions. So the nature of the business is we do cladding, sides, soffits, panels. So it's all predominantly aluminium, sheet metal, stainless steel and mild steel. So I picked Selmach because I previously used your company about 7-8 years ago. We purchased an Agile plasma cutter. Service was outstanding even after we purchased the machine. So the need for the machines that we purchased, which was the guillotine and the press brake behind, is because we do a lot of facade work. So we need to be cutting the aluminium precisely, and with the guillotine we can do that with the back gauge on it, and more importantly, the baby of the company, which is our press brake. We need to do precision folding in order to meet the client's demands on particular soffits, fascias that we need to manufacture, and not to mark any of the material. So when we send it off to powder coating, it's at that high-end finish. So it wasn't just the two machines that I mentioned. We also purchased a notcher and the steel worker. Again, the notcher is so we can get the tray panels finished, and the steel worker so we can do our slots, holes. And again, it's got the notching facility on there and the guillotine. So when that's our main guillotines in use, we do have that as a backup. So as you're aware, we've just set up, but the first 2 weeks of production has been excellent, nice, easy, simple. Whereas before working on other older machines, it's doing the simplest things will always seem to be a task, but with these machines, it's very straightforward. And with the software, the CAD software we've got on there, the drawing facility on it, it's just making our life so much easier, being able to, instead of trying to work out and develop length of the material we need to cut, we just have to input it into the press brake and it will tell us for us pretty much straight away. So very, very important piece of machinery for us. My experience with Selmach is, again, like I mentioned before, has been excellent. So they helped guide me through what machine would work with us, because I was looking at initially a 4-metre machine or a bit bigger, but they advised me to go to a 3-metre machine. So again, it worked out better for me, it was cheaper, but more importantly, it works within the factory we're in at the moment. It gave us that little bit more room. And the best thing that worked with us was the delivery. We won't have to wait 3-4 months. We got it, which was very demanding by ourselves. We got it within a 6-7 week time frame. And then when it was due to be delivered, we had issues with our factory. The handover period, so we had to delay it by 2 weeks, which Selmach again had no issues with, and they worked with us to get the machines in when we were able to. So, like I said, 100%. Aftercare and service. So the training, once the machines were installed, we had 2 gentlemen here to train us on the guillotine, the press brake, and the other 2 machines. And again, they made the training enjoyable. The guys took on board everything, and it really worked. And the aftercare regarding the tooling, any additional items that I needed, an email was sent, and those items were dispatched within the next day and delivered to site within a week. So, yeah, very, very pleased. Looking ahead, there'll certainly be more machines purchased from Selmach. When we expand, we'll look at again getting another guillotine and a press brake, but more hopefully things like a laser machine, or even purchase the Agile plasma, which I purchased 7-8 years ago. We'll certainly be looking along those lines. Would I recommend your machinery in us? 100%. Definitely. Every 10 out of 10 from start to finish.